You're right, guys, long time no see, and welcome back to the channel. It's Andy here from Peninsula Painting Projects, and that's right, it's that time of the month. It's the most anticipated time of the month. It's acid drop time. This is May's Discovery Box. Hopefully we're going to discover some new paints. I think we are. I'm looking forward to this. I really am. I have said on pretty much all of the unboxings that I would like to do a painting tutorial on some of the paints, if not all the paints within the box. Unfortunately, time or lack therefore of it, and life gets in the way. Now, let's just hope in the future I can do them. I'm going to try and maybe do some of this, but with things that are going on in my life at the moment, trying to move house and such stuff like that, I might not be able to. But anyway, if you fancy subscribing, go over to the website. It's aciddrop.co, not .com, not .co.uk, .co. Subscribe. It's £19 a month, about £3 P&P. And you're getting some really cool paints in there. And they all come in handy at some point in your hobbying time. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in a minute. Nice one, guys. Tra. That's right, guys. It's that time of the month again. It's Acid Drop Discovery Box time, and this is May's box. I'm looking forward to looking what's inside here. I've had a little sneak peek of the little guide inside. Let's get this opened up right now. So here's May's 2018 guide. This is box number 8. Can't believe I've been subscribed to these for 8 months. You know what? I'm enjoying my time. So we're not gonna look at this at the moment. Pop this to one side. So let's rip this open. Hold the tissue back. Ooh. What have we got here? Little stippling brush here. A craft paintbrush. Sponge brush, should I say. Got some Mawam strips, as per usual. Oh, what's this? Right, so I was reading about these the other day. Let's open them up. I want to have a little close look at them. I believe these are a new company to the UK. Instar 10ml bottles. Now I believe this brand is in between Vallejo and the Citadel paints. But apparently you don't need as much water or thinner to thin these paints down. You only need a tiny little bit, which comes in handy, and it's also handy to know before I get the chance to use them. I already know not to put too much thinner in it as well. So I believe these 4 are to be used, for example, red cloths, capes and stuff, and we can go up the paint spectrum, and apparently this paint allows for a greater blend, especially if people aren't really good at wet blending, for example. This is meant to be really good for that. So can't wait to use this. And to be honest, I'm not the best at painting cloth or clothing, so I'll have a little practice of that and see how that goes. It's always good to test out new paints. To one side. We've got another trio over here. What's this? Italiera. Italiera. Acrylic paints. So obviously we've got grey here, so let's put in order. Grey paints, and quite frankly, a lot of the GW bases, they are painted in grey, aren't they? To fit in with that city fight type of board. So this will come in handy. These are quite big, aren't they? 20ml bottles. Italy. They are from Italy. So that will come in handy as well. Especially like I said, with them being big bottles, 20ml, that will come in handy. And then we've had this brand before in these boxes. in the acid drop box, and that's Mission Models, suitable for airbrushing. 1 fluid ounce, 30ml bottles. I think one of them is rust. Let's have a little look. I need to look over the camera. They're made in the USA. Yeah, that's a light rust. And transparent dust. That's interesting. Oh, it's a sealed lid. We'll have a look at it another time, but yeah, that's quite interesting though. I'm always interested in rusting up my vehicles and stuff like that. I'm quite interested in this actually. Transparent dust. Transparent dust. That is interesting. Shake well before use, as usual. Right. So I will try and do a painting tutorial with these paints. I'll also try and, well, as I informed you all last time, guys, the other week, you know, we're expecting a baby. Got to sort this house out. Got to pack all the kids' stuff. My partner's looking after her mother at the moment, so it is a case of, you know, if time's on my side, I'll do it. And also, I need to find miniatures to paint as well. So, if you like this box, why don't you go over to Acid Drop and subscribe to them? It's about £19 a month plus your P&P. Well, let's look at pricing actually before we go. So the Italiera paints, they're £2.80 a pot. So there's 3 of them there. We've got the Mission Model weathering paints. They're £6 a pot, £5.99 a pot. It's not too bad, that is it? £21. So we've already got £21-ish here. Not a mathematician, guys. And then these In-Star paints are £1.50 each. We've got matte, IV01 matte, IV07 matte, burnt red matte, and racing red matte. These actually may come in handy not only for cloths and clothing and capes, but maybe my orcs. You know, red makes things go faster, don't they? And then we've got the awesome sponge brush. Awesome sponge brush, 50p. We've got tutorial on how to paint concrete, which I'll have a good little read over that. Mission Models, a bit about the company, and then how to paint the red cloaks with the In-Star paint. That's what it should hopefully look like at the end, if you're a pro painter, that is. And once again, giving back to the Blue Marine Foundation. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you soon. Try.